Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you if the Redmi 13 supports NFC. You can look into the app drawer and you might see that it does have the NFC option. When it's enabled, you can of course go into its settings, either through tapping and holding on it or going into settings, more connectivity options, turning it on here too. You can do contactless payments, of course selecting a default payment app like Google Pay and setting different settings. You can of course also go into Google Pay and set yourself a if you can find it here. You might not, but you can try to look for wallet in here. Yes, wallet. This way you'll be able to look into your wallet. So you can just add yourself your credit card to this, your payment card, in order to very simply just have it work with NFC. Although you would need all the details of your card, just keep that in mind. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.